Do you want to help young people learn about technology? I'm working with Skills Development Scotland to help you get started volunteering at technology clubs for young people. We've made this 50-page guide that walks you through everything you need to know about starting a tech club step by step. I've filled it with everything I've learned over the past 10 years running and volunteering at tech clubs. You'll find out about the existing volunteer and technology club programmes across Scotland that you can join. And I've shared my own experiences of running tech clubs with tips and tricks for what makes a club successful. You'll get an insight into what it feels like to run a technology club and what works well. We've also made a set of resource cards that are designed to spark ideas and showing you tried and tested activities, apps and tutorials that work well in tech clubs. They're all based around the theme of tech for good. You don't need to be a technical expert. These resources are ideal for anyone interested in starting up or supporting a technology club for young people. By setting up more tech clubs in Scotland, we can make learning digital skills more accessible and fun for everyone. Download the pack to find out more.